What's going on, everyone? Corey from Raceseng here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly install a shift boot collar / retainer when using a threaded adapter. Alright, so we have our shifter arm mounted here in a vise, and we have our shift boot here. So we're going to go ahead and take the shift boot collar, slide that down, and get the shift boot to pop over the lip on the shift boot collar, like so. You can either have this orientated with Raceseng, or you can flip it 180 and just have the R. So we're going to go ahead now and flip this inside out. And now we're going to use the zip tie that's included and zip tie the shift boot to the shift boot collar. Go ahead and cut off the extra. Flip this back around. Now you have your shift boot collar connected to the shift boot. Now you can go ahead and install your adapter. Now go ahead and thread down your knob. And once you have your knob tight and orientated how you want it, you can go ahead and pop the shift boot collar up into the bottom of the shift knob, and you're done. Now you have a nice smooth transition between your shift boot and your shift knob. So that's going to wrap up this install. Hope it helped you with any questions you had. Until next time, thanks for watching.